Welding, the starting point of every industry. From shipbuilding and ports to automotive plants and semiconductor facilities, the power that drives the heart of Korea's industries. A new world connected through differentiated welding technology. A company that ignites the future with the sparks of change. Value beyond technology. WorldWEL. With 35 years of heritage, WorldWEL creates a new benchmark in welding value. Stable process technology realized through a smart platform. A fully integrated one-stop system from manufacturing to final delivery. With craftsmanship that tolerates not even the smallest flaw, WorldWEL sets the global standard for welding quality. Through in-house production and assembly of key welding components and specialized manufacturing capabilities such as transformer processing, WorldWEL continues to advance its technological excellence. Another name for WorldWEL's long-accumulated expertise and customer trust, Long Run. WorldWEL offers a diverse lineup of welding solutions optimized for every industry. Arc welding machines that deliver stable arcs even at high output, securely welding thick metals with strength and reliability. TIG welding machines that achieve premium quality welds through precise control and clean refined beads. CO2 welding machines that enhance efficiency with fast welding speeds and outstanding productivity. Plasma cutting systems that rapidly cut metal using high-temperature plasma arcs. In addition, stud welders, submerged arc welding systems, and spot welders. WorldWEL provides customized welding solutions tailored to your needs. WorldWEL laser welding machines are optimized for diverse environments and operating conditions. By supplying both water-cooled and air-cooled laser welding systems, WorldWEL meets a broad range of market demands through advanced technology. The laser cleaner sets a new benchmark in surface treatment technology with an intuitive interface that requires no complex setup. A chemical-free, eco-friendly process delivers a safer and healthier work environment. Reduced operating costs and simplified maintenance. A true upgrade for industrial sites. Laser marking that engraves permanent identification zones through non-contact processing. Without wear or product deformation, high-resolution markings enhance production efficiency and economic value. WorldWEL leads the digital transformation of AI-driven manufacturing and delivers the ultimate integrated solutions. An era of human-robot collaboration demands new standards in speed, precision, and efficiency. Industrial welding robots with 360-degree infinite motion break spatial limitations, allowing a single robot to complete every welding process through optimized equipment selection for each material and application. TIG, delicate precision for flawless quality. MIG, high-speed production combining speed and efficiency. CO2, the industrial standard for powerful welding of thick steel. Next-generation laser welding, precision drawn by light. The core driving force of smart manufacturing, welding robots. Thorough maintenance and safe operation are no longer options, but essentials. WorldWEL's welding automation systems. From installation and operation to after-sales service, we provide complete all-in-one care. By reducing worker exposure to high heat and hazardous gases and applying automated control systems, we maximize quality consistency and productivity. WorldWEL, shaping the future through global leadership. Another innovation from WorldWEL, which has laid the foundation of technological advancement. logistics robots. Collaborative logistics automation robots support perfect stacking through palletizing functions based on an intuitive user interface. With a systematic after-sales service network, WorldWEL responds swiftly to customer needs and places the value of customer satisfaction above all else. Expanding sales channels across more than 20 countries, including Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, WorldWEL competes confidently on the global stage. With cutting-edge technology and rigorous quality control that live up to the long-run name, WorldWEL maximizes customer satisfaction while illuminating the blueprint for the future. A field of dreams and passion where tomorrow's industries bloom, WorldWEL supports everyone. Top-tier expertise in welding machine manufacturing, achieved through relentless R&D. The energy of innovation leading to highest quality. A bold voyage of smart value. A company that goes beyond today to create value for the next generation. WorldWEL.